Hello, so here is viral app right now. It's called BabyLab. So make your baby with AI. The idea is that you can choose your photo. So let's just do it. So I can just take photo. I can give access to camera. So I can just take my photo. And then I will be able to choose a photo from other person. It can be your friend, your partner, like go to the photo library, or it can be some other celebrities, or you can just shuffle. So yeah, how would look the baby with me and Angelina Jolie. And then yeah, it just uses some AI kind of like face recognition technique, and then it just generates the baby. So and then you can see the baby, but unfortunately in this app you only need to upgrade and you need to pay. So you need to pay like $39.99 per year or $3.99 per week, and there is a free trial in every version like this, but it is not possible to access your image without this payment for some reason. And then you have unlimited results, remove watermark, unlock history. If I cross it, I just can't see the baby. I don't know why they did that. Like they would have allowed like at least one free result so we can see the result, and then maybe some people would be able to pay. But there you have it. At least you can upgrade, have 3 days free trial, and then cancel it. Then you have history. History you can see here, and then of course you can only access this if you pay. And yep, there you have it. That's the app. That's how it's called, BabyLab. That's the overview. If you try to upgrade here, of course you can do that. Then to cancel your subscription, if you want if you don't want to pay for the full cycle, you just can go to subscriptions, and in your iCloud in settings app, go to subscriptions, and then just find BabyLab app, and then you will be able to find that and cancel subscription inside of that. So this is where it's located. If you just delete your app, it won't help. So here you can see, for example, some subscription, and then in the bottom you can say cancel subscription. So that's about it. Hope that is helpful. Thank you for watching.